Our today's topic for discussion is vitamin B6 and B7. In this lecture, we will discuss about the chemistry, absorption, function, deficiency, and the sources of both of these two vitamins. So, coming to the chemistry of vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is also known as pyridoxine. It is a water soluble vitamin that our body needs for several functions. Three compounds derived from pyridine shows vitamin B6 activity. They are the pyridoxine, the pyridoxal, and the pyridoxamine. So the heterocyclic ring present in the structure is a pyridine ring. This is the pyridine ring. Pyridoxine is stable to heat and sensitive to light and alkali. This pyridoxal phosphate is the active form of the pyridoxine in the body. Now coming to the absorption and transport. Pyridoxine is easily absorbed and reaches various tissues through circulation. In the tissues, pyridoxine is converted to pyridoxal and pyridoxamine. So similar to other water soluble vitamin, this is also not stored in the body. Now the functions of vitamin B6. Pyridoxal phosphate is the active form and it is formed from pyridoxal by phosphorylation catalyzed by pyridoxal kinase. Pyridoxal phosphate act as a prosthetic group or the coenzyme of enzymes which are involved in the transamination, decarboxylation, transsulfuration, desulfuration, and non-oxidative deamination reactions. Pyridoxal phosphate is coenzyme for enzymes that are involved in the synthesis of heme, serotonin, catecholamines, and coenzyme A synthesis. Now coming to the deficiency of pyridoxine. In adults, the deficiency is rare. In children's, vitamin B6 deficiency causes epileptic convulsions, which is also known as seizures, due to the decreased formation of neurotransmitters like GABA, serotonin, and other catecholamines. Now, what are the sources of vitamin B6? The good sources includes whole grains, legumes, liver, and yeast. The fair sources includes leafy vegetables, milk, meat, and eggs. Now coming to the chemistry of vitamin B7, which is known as biotin. Biotin is an organic heterobicyclic compound that consists of the first imidazole ring. This is the imidazole ring, and the second is the tetrahydrothiophene ring. This is the tetrahydrothiophene ring. So it is a heterobicyclic compound with a valeric acid side chain. This side chain is known as valeric acid side chain. It is a sulfur containing vitamin, as you are seeing in the structure. This is the sulfur. So it is a sulfur containing vitamin and it is stable to heat but sensitive to alkaline medium. Now coming to the absorption and transport, it is absorbed in the small intestine and reaches liver and other tissues through circulation, as it is also a water soluble vitamin. Now coming to the functions of vitamin B7. Biotin is a prosthetic groups of several carboxylases like pyruvate carboxylase, acetyl coenzyme A carboxylase, propionyl coenzyme A carboxylase, etc. Biotin is a type of coenzyme that is required for the synthesis of fatty acids, gluconeogenesis, that is the synthesis of glucose from amino acids and fatty acids, and the synthesis of leucine. Leucine is an amino acid. Biotin controls the release of insulin, thereby reduce the blood sugar levels in the body according to various research. Now the deficiency of biotin is rare in humans because it is present in most of the foods. Now, what are the sources? The whole cereals, legumes, groundnuts, milk, meat, and fish are the good sources. Vegetables and fruits are the fair sources for biotin. So, this is all about biotin and pyridoxine. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you for your time.